welcome to my channel. Today we are in the Coriander AIRWAYS land and I have very good friend come join my channel. พี่เล็กค่ะมาเก Today we have to cooking beef salad.
Today our main ingredient is gonna be beef, any parts of cow that you like. And I'm already marinated beef. What I put in there, black pepper and fish sauce. And for the sauce, the main one of course, chili, lamb, cucumber, spring onion, garlic, red onion or shallot onion. Oh, it's gonna go off. Celery and tomato. Another one, coriander. For the sauce, we have fish sauce, palm sugar, and of course the mortar to crush everything together.
And don't forget, AIRWAYS land is a very good drink. Very good. I really like it. Check blueberry. It's very good. Are you ready? Let's go.
Now our fry is ready. Now we're gonna grill the beef. We're gonna make it medium rare. But if you like well cooked, you can leave it longer. But we like it medium rare. Now we're gonna start to make our sauce.
ถูกต้อง Very good. Yes.
Red onion.
Everything I clean already. Don't worry.
Cucumber. Okay.
Yes.
The weather is really good today, isn't it?
Yes,
It's not too
yes.
hot. Tomato.
Tomato. I want to make everything beautiful.
No problem. Just like you.
I think my friend in YouTube, they want it beautiful and look delicious.
Next, celery. Is that how you like it?
Yes.
Good. I'm glad I make you happy today, Boom.
Yes, yes. It's very good for me.
So next
Okay.
one, coriander. We're gonna chop the root off, but
Don't take out.
we're gonna keep it. Keep it the size.
Yeah, yeah.
Spring onion.
Good. And the last one,
Yep.
garlic.
We're gonna slide it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Very good. Yes. Okay. Now everything ready. I have to make a sauce. I have to put coriander loose. Chili. If you like spicy, you can put more. Very easy to do.
So when you crush it, you need to be very careful so the chili don't get into your eye. Otherwise, you can get in very big problem, doesn't it, Boom?
Yes. I have to put palm sugar. I think it's 1 spoon and fish sauce.
Smell very nice. Look yummy.
Yes. I
Lamb.
have to put the lamb.
Wow, that look really nice.
Lamb make it smell very very good. Yummy.
Gonna try the bit. Wow,
I think it's very good.
tastes amazing.
Yeah.
I think our beef is ready, doesn't it, Boom?
Yes, I think it's
Wow.
very good. Look delicious, huh?
Yeah.
I want to cut.
Oh, you want me to slice
Yeah,
it?
yeah. It's really hot. Okay. Wow.
Smell really nice.
Yes.
Right after I slide it, I'm gonna put it in a big bowl.
After I have to mix everything in the beef. It's very very easy. I put the sauce
Oh my god, that smell amazing. Boom.
and I put vegetable.
Cucumber,
Yes.
red onion,
Yes.
onion,
Yes.
and the rest. They're all mixed up now.
Yes.
So.
Yes.
Oh well, you know what we put in there anyway. We already showed you, didn't we?
I want to put garlic, the last one, and I mix everything. Wow, look delicious.
Looks really nice, doesn't it?
Yes.
Quite easy.
Yes, very
Because-
easy.
Yeah, I think you can prepare it in maybe less than 30 minutes.
Yeah. And you can do in your party. I think it's very good idea for you.
Really good with beer as
Yeah,
well.
yeah. It's really good. Wow.
Any alcohol, really.
Okay. Okay, finito.
Amazing. I wish you guys can smell it like I do. You know, the smell is wonderful. Garlic.
Yes, garlic.
top.
Wow, beautiful.
Wow, it's beautiful. It's eating time. Yeah, this is the time for me waiting for. Hey,
Cheers.
Let's try it. Let's dig in. Oh my god, that's amazing.
Very very good.
So nice. And I want to try a bit more. Yeah. Wow. That salad so crunchy. Wow, very fresh. It's very hot
And
today, isn't it?
yeah.
We have our cold drink.
Airway Land. Cheers. Thank you very much in the โคราชนครราชสีมา Okay, today is perfect for me and พี่เล็ก
Yeah, the weather is so nice.
If you like my channel, please subscribe and like
Right? And
and
share.
share. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Bye.
See you next video. Bye bye. Yesterday it
Very heavy rain,
Yes,
isn't
yes,
it? Yeah.
yes. all
Nice
day.
day. Cool down a bit.
So hot. Oh, you know. It is hot, baby.
I want to put the coriander is two and
And the roots.
coriander roots.
Second.
I have to put coriander roots.
เดี๋ยวคุณยังมีปัญหานะ
Going to decorate it up with orchid flower. Make it look pretty like
Yeah.
a tree.
Good. Very good idea.